Hello everyone, my name is Melania Rahadianti. With my co-author Yusuf Arianto, we are from Architecture Program in Universitas Ciputra, Surabaya. I'm here to talk to you about our research toward an integration of symbolic meaning and digital architecture in Architecture Design Studio. We start with the technological developments and innovation in architecture. Innovation in architectural designs requires the application of new design strategies and new project delivery methods. New design tools, materials, and building technologies, also construction techniques, contribute to making buildings more responsive to their environment and their occupants. The integrated approach where design methods, technology, and form culture must coalesce to address issues and problems and provide solutions that create value for the firm, client, and society. Then, we need to know about the symbolic approach in architecture design. The design of an architectural project is not enough to ensure functions and circulation alone. The need for design also does not stop based on individual clients, but can also develop to the demands of the needs of corporations and state institutions. There are many things that need to be fulfilled, including the need to represent the vision and mission of the institution through design, show the institution contribution to the environment, and use the latest technology in design. The symbolic approach is used in creating architectural designs that have meaning and strong attachment to users, history, social culture, and character of society or community, where space and architectural elements become symbols and storytellers. Further, we can explore the integration with the symbolic approach through digital architecture innovation. The physical symbolic manifestation is tried to be explored through the digital architecture process to produce a more optimal design development. Specifically, the trial phase in a design process will carry out by simulating building performance or parametric designs as design tools. That's why the purpose of this exploration is to form and strengthen the symbolic elements of the architecture through the digital architecture process. This study will discuss integrating the symbolic approach through digital architecture innovation and how to explore it in the architectural studio. Then, the expected results are digital architecture methods were found that could be applied and architectural elements that could be the manifestation of a symbolic approach in architecture. The research started by creating the learning module in the Symbolic Innovation Technology Studio for students in Architecture Program Universitas Ciputra at semester 6. Prior to taking this course, in the previous semester, students had received materials on the use of software and digital design process in several courses, including interior architecture, communication, and presentation tool, applies the software used in making technical drawings and design presentation, digital tectonics, exploring form finding with the principle of digital fabrication, generative structure system explores and analyzes structural system through a digital approach. Digital architecture applying digital technology as design tools in architectural design by considering the performance aspect of the building. Based on their prior knowledge, we give challenge for students to be able to process using digital technology in the Symbolic Innovation and Technology course. Exploration is done while guiding students in designing with the specified case study. Projects in case studies require deep conceptual exploration to realize their symbolic elements. We also exploring opinions on students through a reflection form conducted at the end of the lecture regarding the lecture process that has been carried out. From the survey, qualitative data was taken to see whether the process of integrating digital architecture in exploring symbolic concepts could be understood and successfully carried out by students. And then we analyze and categorize the student results and perspectives to get the conclusion about architectural elements that can be found with the integration of symbolic meaning and digital architecture, and how the course development based on the evaluation. Results of the research started by this diagram tries to describe how to formulate a work process in design, combining a qualitative or subjective design process, namely a symbolic approach from philosophical meaning in the form of cultural and ideological expression in certain contexts according to their identities, but evidenced by design work steps with digital simulation. Building from elements found from exploring the symbolic approach can be strengthened by digital architecture processes, including choosing the right site, finding the building orientation, finding from parametric design, and building performance simulation. From the schematic concept, we can integrate it into the stages of the learning process in Architecture Studio. Started with observation and deep research, concept development, to final design development, and final presentation, where all stages can apply digital architecture methods. Simulations are carried out with several software tools to achieve the desired design optimization, namely Rhinoceros Grasshopper with Ladybug plugin to get accurate climate and site condition data at the observation and deep research stage. Rhinoceros Grasshopper explores the design based on the required parameter at the concept stage. Dialogues for lighting simulation at the stage of developing the concept. Digital presentation in the form of 3D video rendering and editing at the final stage presentation. This is the examples of student projects that apply digital architecture as tools to achieve their symbolic approach in their application. First, Manani, our student, designed the Majapahit Art Gallery. With parametric design, finding the orientation of the facade, setting device on the facade that use brick materials as a symbol of the uniqueness of the area. In addition, he explores by conducting building performance simulation, especially simulation of solar radiation on the surface of the building, to find most effective roof design and strategies to reduce solar heat through the modification of design elements and also placement of green areas on the site. Another example, Jennifer designed the Contemporary Art Gallery in West Surabaya by using the concept of multi-sensory experience for visitors. The digital architecture process is applied by using the parametric design method to find the stage background design as an interior element. Then, using lighting simulation to design the desired space ambience. From student perspective, we get the fact about student feel that digital architecture can help them for faster process, better understanding of symbol, and more able to explore shapes. The obtained by students applying these methods are deepening of symbolic concept. Digital art technology used by students help to find forms that are more diverse, flexible, in accordance with the symbolic concept raised. The presence of design elements explored with parametric design support the achievement of the required concept. As a result of exploration in the architecture design studio, digital architecture methods were found that could be applied as process in architecture design studio and architectural elements that could be the manifestation of a symbolic approach in architecture. The experiment process in integrating symbolic meaning and digital architecture in the architecture design studio is still in the early stage. For the further study, there needs to be a deeper understanding of symbolic architecture material so that the exploration of form finding and the application of symbolic concept can be felt in the overall architectural design. In addition, the ability to use more capable software is needed. The ability to read data and perform analysis of the simulation results are needed. This is my references that I use in the study. That's all my presentation. I'm open to all questions and feedback on this study. Thank you for great opportunity for this presentation, and thank you for listening.